Welcome to the channel, everybody. Today we're in Italy. We've been in Italy for 5 days now. Honestly couldn't tell you. But we had to stop at this lake because I knew it was going to be beautiful, and I was definitely right. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name of this lake, but I will give you the exact location on a map. We're currently heading towards Tuscany, Italy from Rome, Italy. About a little over 3-hour drive, but we're going to stop at a hot springs. We're about an hour away from the hot springs. We've been traveling in a camper van all over Croatia, Italy, Slovenia, and it has been an unbelievable experience. Words cannot even describe how phenomenal it has been for us. The people are absolutely lovely. The cities are just beautiful. I wonder if I can swim here. I think I can swim here, honestly. I don't know. I'm not quite sure. I don't see any no swimming signs. Since we've been back in Italy, I found quite possibly one of my favorite beers. It is a very good summer beer, and Stephanie even likes it too.
We should probably get a move on though.
Yeah, we got another hour to go.
Today we are at the thermal baths in Santorini, Italy. And what's awesome about this is that it's free entry. The parking is a little ways away, especially for camper or RV. It's no cost to get in, and they have a really nice restaurant, free toilets and showers. We are going to show you probably the Instagram versus reality version of this place, since it is well known now and it's kind of like a touristy area. But it's absolutely gorgeous, well worth it, and it was a nice place to relax, especially after walking, I think 10 to 12 miles these past few days. Definitely worth it.
The springs are absolutely beautiful. It's kind of crowded. It's a Monday, but I'm assuming it's always like this. It's free to get in. There's a restaurant here that serves alcohol and all your good drinks and stuff. It's a good, relaxing place to be, honestly. There's a lot of people here. If I had to be honest with you guys, though, I probably would never come back here again. It's just not really worth it. Too many people. I don't get the big deal. It is pretty, but it's ruined with people.
What's really nice is that this place has a campground right next to it. So this campground offers a lot too. It offers hookups, both water and electric. It also offers like just parking if you need to. Like for instance, this van doesn't fit into the parking lot that they offer that's closer. But they also have showers and laundry. So I'm about to take advantage of the showers that they have. And then I guess we're gonna be on our way to Siena, Italy.